Do you ever suffer from canker sores or mouth ulcers? If so, here I have 4 acupuncture points to help cure them. Stay tuned! Hi, I'm Serpina. Welcome to my health tips channel. Mouth ulcers are not a big illness, but they are very painful and affect you when you eat, drink, speak, or even when you don't move your mouth at all. Most mouth ulcers do clear up by themselves within 7 to 14 days, but my health tips should help speed up the process. There are 4 common mouth ulcers in general, and these are Chinese doctors' explanations. Number 1. Mouth ulcers on your lips are related to the body's digestion and a stomach that feels as if it's unfair. Number 2. Ulcers inside your mouth denote stagnation of the liver, which is related to emotions, for example, stress, insomnia, and staying up late. Number 3. Mouth ulcers under the tongue mean that damp heat has accumulated in the spleen and the stomach, so you feel weak and have no appetite. Number 4. Mouth ulcers on the surface of the tongue mean that the body's internal heat is excessive. You might be working too hard or thinking too intensively. So now let me show you how to find these 4 relative acupuncture points. You can use them to help what's called the oral mucosa to heal as soon as possible. The first acupuncture point is for the mouth ulcers on the lips. It's called Shangyang point. This is on each 4 fingers. It's lower edge of the nail by the thumb side. Here, by the thumb side. You can use a toothpick, a cotton bud, or an acupuncture stick. You can also just use your thumb. You press down this point quite hard and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then stop. You must feel sore and experience pain. Do not rub it. Just press down. You need to do this. Press down 5 seconds. Stop. Press down 5 seconds. Stop for 30 times in one go on each finger's acupuncture point. The second acupuncture point is for ulcers inside your mouth. This is called the Guanchun point. This is on each ring finger at the lower edge of the nail, but on the little finger side. Here. Again, you can use a toothpick, a cotton bud, or an acupuncture stick. You can also use your thumb. You press these points down quite hard and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you stop. You must feel sore and experience pain. Do not rub it. Just press down. You press down 5 seconds and then stop. Press down 5 seconds and then stop. You do this 30 times in one go on each finger's acupuncture point. The third acupuncture point is for mouth ulcers under the tongue. It's called Wei Zhong points. This is on the inside of each leg. Now, let me show you how to find it. Sit down with your legs bent at 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Now you found a crease where the leg bends. A crease in the middle, here, under your leg. There are two tendons. Here, two tendons on your leg. The Wei Zhong point is right in the middle of these two tendons at the junction of the up and down leg. Okay, when you find these points, straighten your two legs and then use your both fourth finger and middle fingers together to press and rub this point on each leg at the same time for 5 seconds, and then stop. Press, rub, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then stop. You do this 30 times in one go. Wei Zhong points has function of cooling the blood and releasing the damp heat, so cleaning it up. This is also a very important acupuncture point and blood meridian. The fourth acupuncture point is for mouth ulcers on the surface of the tongue. This is called Shaochong point. This is on each little fingers. At lower edge of the nail by the ring finger side. Here. Again, you can use a toothpick, a cotton bud, or an acupuncture stick. You can also use your thumb. You press this point down quite hard and hold for 5 seconds. And then you stop. You must feel sore and experience pain. Do not rub it. Just press it down. You need to do this. Press down 5 seconds. Stop. Press down 5 seconds. Stop. 30 times in one go on each finger's acupuncture points. Here I have to remind you that if your mouth ulcers do not heal for a long time and the ulcers are very large and deep, please do go and check with your doctor to possibly avoid any serious cancer. By the way, vitamin B is very good for mouth ulcers.
So here's some information about the principles of acupuncture. Traditional Chinese acupuncture has been studied and practiced for over 2,500 years and is based on the belief that an energy or life force, known as qi, flows through the body in channels called meridians and acts as a natural painkiller. The principle of acupuncture is to treat diseases by dredging the meridians, reconciling body imbalances called yin and yang, and so treating all manner of ailments. By stimulating various body points known as nodes, acupuncture accelerates local blood circulation, enhances cell growth and vitality, and restores the body to its yin and yang equilibrium, ensuring that the qi and blood then travel to all the furthest parts of the body. In doing so, the functional status of the viscera, joints, muscles and tendons, etc. are improved, so curing pain and disease. Acupuncture doesn't always require needles either. Just a knock, rub, press or tap on acupuncture points can also achieve excellent results for many ailments, often working best in chronic situations as well as less painful ones.
That's it for this time. Please pass these tips on to your family and friends, and let's see more people benefit from reduced mouth ulcers pain. By the way, if you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health tips information. Many thanks, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.